Welcome back to our another episode of Python programming, right? As you know, Python is a versatile programming language that allows you to do some pretty weird and fascinating things that we are going to discuss on today's episode. Here are 7 examples, right? So, first, you can create art with total graphics. Yeah, Python has a module named Total that you can use to create or draw intricate and colorful patterns, making beautiful and often mesmerizing artwork. It's a fun way to blend art and code. Secondly, we have generating random poetry. Python can be used to generate random poems by combining words and phrases from a large dataset. The results can sometimes be poetic and surreal. 3. Build chatbots for fun.
Welcome to the AI-powered face recognition world. ikhomkodes.
With libraries like NLTK and Chatbot, you can create your chatbot. These bots can be as whimsical or as practical as you like, right? Fourth is simulating a universe. Python can be used to create simulations of complex systems, including entire virtual universes. You can explore various laws of physics and see what happens when you tweak parameters. Fifth, playing music with Python. Yeah, Python can be used to compose and generate music. You can create your unique tunes or even make your computer sing. Sixth, automating your life. Yeah, obviously, Python is great for automation. You can use it to control your lights, thermostat, and even feed your pet through the internet. If you have any pets in your house, then you can use Python to automate feeding the pet through the internet. Seventh, predicting the future using sort of. While not exactly predicting the future, Python can be used for data analysis and machine learning to make predictions based on historical data. For example, you can predict stock prices or weather patterns. So if you are going out, then you need to check whether it is sunny or rainy. Then you can use Python in order to predict the weather conditions, right? So, let me wrap up now. These weird and wonderful applications showcase Python's versatility and creativity in the world of programming. Thank you so much for your unwavering presence and support. Hope you guys like this video. To motivate me creating more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It will be a great pleasure to me. Thank you so much.